Hello guys, welcome to today's video, and this is a TS Tech Talk video. So on today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to choose a choice of thumbnail for your YouTube shorts. So if you're trying to make a YouTube short, all you need to do is to click on the plus icon right there and you click create. So when you click on create, you can either make use of the camera icon or you upload a video right here. So I'm going to choose a particular video, this particular video right there. And then once you're done with your video, click on done. I'm actually okay. So it's going to take a time to process. After processing, we are going to continue to upload the video. All right, guys, the process is complete. So now what we need to do is to click on this check icon right here on the bottom right. Click on it. And it's going to confirm the video. This is the video right there. So you can either add sound, add text, put a timeline, and then put a filter. But I think I'm actually okay. So I'm going to click on next. And then this is the video. So I'm going to put a title to the video and then select if I want it visible or publish. So whichever one I want, I can choose. But since I want to actually show you guys how to change a thumbnail, this is actually going to be my thumbnail. And if for some reason I do not like that and I decide to change it, all I need to do is to click on this pencil icon right here, and it's going to show me option for different thumbnail right there. This is actually my video timeline, so I can swipe or select different section or different scene of the video, and you can notice it's going to choose different image. So this is how to actually choose a preferred or a choice of image you want to use as your background from your video, making use of shots. So if you are okay with that, add your caption and then upload the video. But I'm actually okay. This is just a test. I'm not uploading the video. So this is actually how to change your thumbnail on your shot. Now the reason why I'm making this video is because this video this option is now available for everybody. Initially this was available for Android users, so I did not make this video so that iOS users would not be surprised or won't be having some competition with their opposite. So I hope this video is helpful. If it is, don't forget to smash like and subscribe to the channel for more video. I will see you guys on my next video. Please stay safe and peace.